So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to insert a line chart here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is, it goes without saying, open up a Word document. Once that is done, go to the top left to where it says insert, press on that. Then where it says chart right here, so for me it's right below Smart Art and above screenshot, press on the little arrow right beside to get a drop down. Now if you want to add a line chart, pretty self-explanatory, go to the line chart, hover over top of that, and you can select a line chart of your choosing. So you have 2D line charts, you have a 3D line chart, you have an area chart, whatever the case may be, a whole bunch of different line charts right here. So for example, if I wanted to do a line chart right here of just a basic 2D line chart, the second you press on it, it's going to redirect you to an Excel spreadsheet where you can then input the data. So I'll just go ahead here and do that very quickly. So as mentioned, it redirects you to an Excel spreadsheet where you can then type in the data that'll be used and linked towards your graphic or your chart on Word. So I'll just go ahead here and make it a little bit larger in size so it's easier to see. So for demonstration, if I wanted to change all the series here to the number 3, just to make sure that all the lines are equal, I'll go ahead and leave this one at 2 actually, just so there's a little bit of discrepancy there within the charts. Once that is done and you have your data inputted, it's fairly straightforward. Just go back to your Word document where the chart will then be visualized for you. So as I just mentioned, here on the screen is a chart. So I'm going to go ahead here and just change this to I'll just title it line charts. And as you can tell, we do have a line chart right here. So what you can do is you can make it bigger or smaller. You can also change how it looks up here. You can also go ahead here and just change the colors here. So if you wanted to do maybe this color scheme right here, you can go ahead and do that. You can go ahead here and just change the layout, add a chart element, whatever the case may be. You can play around with it. It's completely up to you, but pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This is how to, I guess, add or how to insert a line chart into a document here on Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.